Today I would like to walk you through 5 strategies to reclaim your birthright to health. Yes, health is a birthright. And then on the following 5 Tuesdays after that, I'll walk through each one of the strategies in detail. So let's get started. The first strategy is to eliminate grains, legumes, sugars, and industrial oils. Yes, I know. This is the toughest one of all. And there's a lot of pushback on this one, but please trust that once you get to the other side, you'll feel so great that you will never turn back. And again, we'll go through the details next Tuesday. The second strategy is to develop a good sleep routine and manage stress. Sleep is not indulgent, and stress is not always bad. In fact, it can be life-saving. It's when it's left unchecked and chronic, that's when it's bad. So I'll teach you how to do that. The third strategy is to move frequently at a slow pace, lift heavy things, and sprint once in a while. If you are able to incorporate all 3 of these into your exercise routine, you're going to have a very well-rounded level of fitness. Strategy number 4 is to level up with intermittent fasting and ketosis. If you don't know what intermittent fasting is or have not ever done it, it's a great tool that most everybody should be doing. And ketosis, on the other hand, is probably best done when you have a good solid level of health, but another great tool to put into your fitness bag. The last and 5th strategy is to optimize your life with sunlight, play, and brain fitness. Now this one gets overlooked a lot, or it's just not prioritized, but can add a great level onto your health and overall well-being. So that's it. The 5 strategies, not simple to implement, but doable. I can support you. If I can, please let me know. Please like, please share, please visit my website, yourprimallife.com. Thank you so much, and we will see you next Tuesday.